How to add expenses on Spender app. Are you guys facing issues to add expenses in Spender app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To add an expenses on Spender app, first of all, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply tap on Spender app, and here you'll be able to see this plus icon, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this plus icon. After you click on this plus icon, from the option select expenses, which you can see over here. If it shows income, then just simply tap on income and it will be sent to Spain, which indicates to expenses. Now just simply write down the title like shopping, and also write down your amount that you add on your expenses on Spender app. After you fill up all the details, just simply write down add Spain. So as you guys can see, expenses has been added on Spender app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.